Alright. Good morning. So, yesterday, my neighbor Pete stopped by while I was doing all this, so I didn't really get a chance to do an introduction before we started engines. But, that's okay. Yesterday was testing all the little fixes I made to the different engines, and the EM2 here ran really nicely for the whole day. So this morning I'm going to try starting it up again and seeing if we can time how long it runs on a tank of fuel. So I've already put batteries in it, fuel in the tank, checked it for spark. I left the fuel needle adjustment right where it was yesterday, and I have this pin that I've super glued to the top of the needle so that I have a nice long arm to make very tiny adjustments with, and we will see. Alright. I put a little more oil in it because I didn't know how much oil was in it, but it seems to be pushing oil out the cover here, so it might have a bit of oil in it now. Well, it's a bit cooler today, so maybe needs a little more fuel. Yep, that was it. Needed about 1/8 of a turn more fuel today because it's cool and damp out, and yesterday it was nice and warm out. So alright, let's see how long that runs.